It's that time of year again. I have all the best Black Friday deals for everyone on your list, so keep watching. You're not going to want to miss them. So my vacuum has not been doing well this year, so I need a new one for the holidays. My pick is the Aerobo P20. Now this vacuum, the P20, has a 99% cleaning efficiency, and I like that it has like different speeds. Like you can do a really fast cleaning or a deep cleaning. Now, if you don't have a vacuum that you can control through your app, this is such a cool feature to have because you can set up the P20 using a few easy steps and then you control it on your app. So you can have it clean or you can schedule your cleanings for when you're not at home as well. One of my concerns about robot vacuums are they going to scratch up my floors, and one of the reasons I like the Aerobo P20 is that it is scratch resistant. It has the scraper technology that's going to help it glide over your floors and not scrape them. The P20 is really beginner friendly and it has a really wide range of network connection up to 20 meters, which basically means that it's not going to park itself in a random corner of your house because the network connection goes for quite a ways. It also does a really good job with its cliff sensors, so it's not gonna fall off the stairs. It can detect when it comes to a ledge. All of the pieces you can easily install and detach really easily, and you don't have to use a screwdriver. If you have a pet-friendly home, it also comes with an extra large dustbin. The Aerobo P20 is also fairly quiet, so it has low noise. It also has the self-cleaning cycle, so you could set it when you're not even at the house. It runs for up to 120 minutes. It has a remote and app control. It also comes with 4 cleaning modes, which I was not familiar with. So you can do auto, edge, spot, and spiral mode. So I'm really excited to try each of those modes. I'm gonna link this vacuum down in the description box so you guys can check it out. And I wanna thank Aerobo for sponsoring today's video. You guys, my winter coat is on major sale today for Black Friday. This is a really nice, thick, warm coat. I love how long it is, and my favorite part I would say about this coat is it actually has some really big pockets. Like you could put quite a bit in these side pockets. There's some up here, and then you also get like your normal pockets as well. It's got this fluffy lined hood. On the inside of it, I'll show you kind of what that looks like, but super warm. I have it in black, but it comes in a bunch of different colors as well. All right, here's another item that I picked up for my husband. It is by the brand Wrangler. I think it's super affordable today. All of these products that I'm talking about are gonna be linked for you down in the description box. So to get there, you're gonna click the arrow over on the side. There's gonna be a drop-down menu. All of the products are gonna be listed on there, so you can click on them. It's gonna take you over to Amazon and you can add them directly to your cart. But this is a great jacket. I know my husband's gonna love it. I got it in his true to size, but there's so many different plaid versions. It also comes with a little hoodie on it, just a gray hoodie, and then it is button up. The Pretty Gardens brand on Amazon is on sale today. I have several shirts from them. I would say my favorite shirt is this green top. It is so pretty, you guys. I am in love with this shirt. It's got a beautiful little cap to the sleeve with these lace details. The main shirt is like a waffle knit. I have it in green, and you guys know when I love a shirt, I buy it in multiple colors. So I bought it in the white as well, which again is super pretty. I get my true to size, which is a large. It's definitely a fitted finish to it. It comes down maybe about 2 inches below my waistband. You could tuck it in if you want, but it's definitely not too cropped of a top. If you have anyone on your list who has asked for the Lululemon belt bag, I have a better option that is over half the price. Now, this is a belt bag that has been very popular on Amazon because essentially it's the exact same bag. I have it in blue. It's the same size. It's got the same amount of pockets, works really well. I usually wear mine crossbody, so definitely love the blue one. There's a bunch of different colors, but what I'm most excited about for winter is they're now carrying it in the fleece. I'm so excited for this one. It's got a nice gold zipper. It's got the little gold detail and a white strap as well. I cannot wait to wear this as my bag this winter. So Amazon actually has several small business owners that put their products on Amazon. I found this Mary sweatshirt from a small business owner. I think it's adorable. It's just a pink large sweatshirt and it has the Mary on the front in red. Now I will say it's definitely larger size fit. So if you're wanting it more of like a women's fit, I would size down. Like I could probably have done a medium to give it more of a tighter fit, but I definitely like the oversized look as well. I recently found double-sided wrapping paper and absolutely love it. On Amazon, Hallmark has a deal for Black Friday for 3 rolls, double-sided, so such a good deal. I actually bought 2 different sets, so I'm all set for my wrapping paper. If you've had your eye on this checkered blanket, now is the time to pick it up for Black Friday because it is on sale. This is the softest, kind of the most trendiest blanket that's out right now. I have mine in this kind of beige and cream colored checkered pattern. Actually, if you click on the Amazon link, it says it's actually burnt orange is the one I have, which I think it's more of like a beige tan color than burnt orange, but it comes in a bunch of different color options as well. But I'm telling you guys, this is so soft. I've been really into my plants lately, so this was the gift that I wanted for this Christmas. It's under $20, so a great deal. If you're wanting to make plant starters instead of just putting them in a cup, this is a great option. It's super sleek. I actually had mine sitting over my living room, so it looked like part of my decor. I showed you guys this Laneige lip sleeping mask back during Prime Day in October. You loved it so much, and since it's on sale again, I wanted to show you guys for Black Friday. This is a really big tub of this lip sleeping mask. What you do is essentially just put it on your lips at night before you go to bed. It's gonna moisturize them throughout the winter. I think this would make an awesome gift. It also comes with this little spatula piece, so you don't have to stick your nail in it to get the product out. My new favorite pans are these Green Life pans, and you can get a 7-inch skillet and a 10-inch skillet for such an affordable deal today. Now mine are in this kind of like greenish blue, but there's a bunch of different color options. These are essentially the same as a nonstick skillet, but they're ceramic and they don't have all the chemicals of a normal pan. Now you can put these in the dishwasher, which I have not done before. I don't know, you guys will have to let me know in the comments if you put your pans in the dishwasher, but I still hand wash mine. But these are a great set of pans. I have a black set at my house that I like, and they're just perfect. My 3-tier necklace, I've had this now for at least over a year and it never goes on sale except for around this time of year at Black Friday. This is an awesome deal. I bought one of these for my daughter last year. You get 3 different necklaces so you can wear them all together or maybe just wear one separate, but a great gift and really affordable. If you're like me and you love giving useful gifts, consider these toothbrush squeezers. These are awesome. They come in a pack of 3. They're super affordable. But what you do is you pull out this little key. Then you're gonna place your toothpaste into the key. Then you place your key back into this little white base. Then your toothpaste can essentially stand up straight. And then as you're using your toothpaste, you're just going to twist this key. It's gonna squeeze every last little bit out of your toothpaste. So you can just open the lid, get a little toothpaste, and then put the lid back on, so you know you're going to use all the product, but a useful gift, and everyone I know who've picked these up have thought they were really cool. If you've considered getting this Los Angeles sweatshirt, or I also have the Hawaii sweatshirt that's in the white, now is a great time to pick it up. I size up in mine, so I bought both of mine in an extra large to give me that baggy look, but you can wear it with jeans, joggers. You can also wear it in the summer with like biker shorts, a really cute sweatshirt. If you love giving candles as a gift, consider these soy candles by the brand Lulu. Now, I went through all the reviews to figure out which was the most popular, and this jasmine, oud, and sandalwood was the most popular one. It smells really good. It's definitely strong and kind of feels like a boutique style smell, but I can't wait to light it. It's 9 ounces for this candle. If you love s'mores or your family loves s'mores, consider this electric s'more maker. It's on sale right now for Black Friday. This is so cool. You can put all your s'more ingredients out. It has an electric heater in the middle so your kids can roast marshmallows inside and you could make s'mores. I think this would be a great gift for any family. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Amazon, and let me know what you're gonna be buying for Black Friday. If you've ever considered getting 23andMe as a gift, it's on sale today for Black Friday. I love a basic sweatshirt that's not too thick. I love kind of like that medium, not too thin, not too thick. This one's perfect. It has a zip up right here, no hood to it, but then it's got like this really big pocket in the front, which I think is a really cute detail. I bought the cream one, but there are so many different color options that will be linked down in the description box. My favorite new beauty brand of 2022 by far has been the Hanalei brand. Everything I've tried from them, I absolutely love. This is my go-to lip treatment that I use in the morning and throughout the day. It's a thick consistency, it's unscented, it's by a brand based out of Hawaii. I absolutely love it, so try it if you haven't tried it. It'll also make a great stocking stuffer. This may look like a cat toy, but honestly, it's one of the most useful gifts I think you can give this year. This is a bag cleaning purse ball. So what you do with it is you can take it out of the box and put it at the bottom of your purse. It's really lightweight. And as you move around throughout your day, it's essentially going to grab any crumbs or dirt that are at the bottom of your purse and put them onto the sticky part of this ball. Then I would say every week or every other week, you can take the ball out and you're gonna see all the crumbs that are on it. You can rinse the ball, put it back in the cage, and then put the ball back into your purse. It's gonna keep cleaning. So I love that it's reusable, really small, and a great gift. Now, if you've tried the Essence Lash Princess Mascara, you know how amazing it is. I use it as my go-to everyday mascara, but during Black Friday, they make it even more affordable. So if you love this mascara, make sure you get another one during Black Friday. If you're in need of an air fryer or want to give one as a gift, Instant Pot actually has theirs on sale. It's a #1 bestseller on Amazon, so I'll link that for you down below. I always feel like board games are such a safe gift because a lot of people enjoy and love playing board games. I especially like ones that I can play with my family. So I found this one that was on Black Friday deal. It's called Do You Really Know Your Family? And it's a fun trivia challenge game where you get to kind of know your family and answer questions about them. If you want the world's most comfy pants, consider getting my black joggers. They are on great deal today. I always size up, so I get an extra large. Large is typically my true to size, but they are so comfortable and you can wear them with sweatshirts, t-shirts. You know, I usually just wear them with tennis shoes as well, but they're really comfortable and some of my favorites. This rechargeable lighter, I bought as a gift last year. Delaney bought it for people on her list. This is the perfect gift under $10, and of course it's on sale today. So what you do is you connect it with this USB lighter to any charging port. It's going to charge up, then you're going to have power in this lighter. You can light things like candles, barbecues, fireworks, really anything. What I love about it is you can keep your hand at a safe distance away from the flame, and if it runs out of charge, just recharge it. That prevents you from having to repurchase lighters. When I found this next product, I got so excited because honestly, I was skeptical about them. They are low-rise socks that I'm telling you, they do not slip down off of your feet. They have this gel trim in them that helps keep them on the back of your heels as you're wearing it throughout the day. And I can tell you, I've worn all different types of tennis shoes with these and they stay in place. You're gonna get a pack of 6, and of course they're on sale today. So try them for yourself or give them as a gift if you like to give socks, but these are my new favorite. I've already bought 2 sets of these. A couple of years ago, I was lucky enough to get this ice maker for Christmas, and Black Friday is the perfect time to buy it because it is on sale. If you're somebody who loves those little nuggets or Sonic style ice, it's awesome. My family uses this every day and I love the GE brand. For Black Friday, the Columbia products are on sale on Amazon. I found this black fleece that I thought would be perfect for my husband. I get questions all the time about what makeup I use and hair products, and I have to tell you, this is the product that I've probably used for the last 3 or 4 years every time I get out of the shower, and it's called the Redken One United. This is like that all-encompassing, one product that you need to put on your hair. It's a detangler, it's anti-frizz, it's a heat protected, it's a volumizer. It really has all these different uses to it. It's a little pricey, so I wanted to tell you guys about it today because it is on sale, but a big thing of it, this is 13.5 fluid ounces. It lasts me forever. So if you ever want to try it, it's a good time to pick it up. I found these 4-pack of Stasher reusable bags in the Black Friday deal. So if you've been wanting some reusable bags, this is a great time to pick them up. You get a large one plus 2 medium-sized ones, and then there's also a snack size one. You can put these in the dishwasher. You can also put them in the fridge, the microwave, and even in the oven. So my kids are between that 9 to 12 age range, and one of the gifts that both of them asked for are these happy face slippers. These are very popular right now. You can get them in a bunch of different colors and sizes. So if you need slippers for your kiddos, this is a great option. Last year, my daughter wanted this tortilla blanket. I thought it was a little silly, but she has absolutely loved it, and it's very popular with her age range. So if you're looking for a blanket for one of your kids or grandkids, this is a good option. They also have other foods if you click on the link in the description box outside of the tortilla. If you've been looking at getting a cute blazer, this is the perfect time to get it because the Drop Viral Blazer is on sale today. Now I have mine in like a tan color, but it's the perfect blazer size. You can size down if you want it a little bit more fitted. I believe I got a medium in this blazer, but such a cute option and it looks great with jeans, or you could even dress it up over a dress or nice pants. The new toy of this year are these 5 surprises. My daughter, who's around the age 9, said this is definitely something that she wants this year. So if you haven't heard of 5 surprises, this would be great for like kind of your elementary age child. 5 surprises are miniatures, so they have different themes. Like this one are Disney miniatures, but you can get like fashion ones in all different types. If you have a kiddo who likes plushies, this one is really cool. So this is a tea turtle, and essentially what it is a plushie that on one side it's happy and on the other side it looks mad or sad. So you can like reverse this plushie. Now if you click on the link, there's so many different options to choose from and colors. If you're looking for a super comfy and affordable sweatshirt, my favorite one is this Hanes sweatshirt. It is so affordable, you guys. I actually have it in 2 different colors. I have the light gray and the dark gray. Soft, comfy. It's a little bit of a cropped sweatshirt as well, which I do like, and I bought it in my true to size, which is a large. I find some of the most affordable jewelry off of Amazon. This bracelet, it comes in this little container, so perfect for gift giving, but it's got a magnetic clasp on it, so really easy to put on. It comes in a bunch of different colors. Mine's in like this champagne finish. Really beautiful, really gorgeous, and super affordable. If you're looking for a stocking stuffer, consider this car cleaning gel. This is so cool. So you can use this to clean your dashboard. You can also use it to clean electronics like your laptop. Those can be really hard to clean and get all the dust out of. This would be great to throw in any stockings. Dash has a new egg cooker available where you can cook 12 eggs. This is so easy to do. They had one previous where you could put 6 in there, but if you want to cook the whole carton, this is a great option. If you see a deal that you liked in today's video, make sure you guys go ahead and check out, because a lot of times these deals sell out or companies will raise their prices after they've sold a certain amount. I'm gonna link all of the products for you guys down in the description box. I'm also going to pin them to the first comment. In case you can't find the description box, they're gonna be pinned for you in the first comment so you can go check them out. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.